I was talking about how the Fed has moved so far and how the markets have responded. As far as the markets go, we have seen that slump coming in mid-June, but they've done all right. I mean, the Dow Jones has done well for itself for the most part. In terms of the action taken by the Fed, in terms of expectations of the Fed, Jerome Powell, in his commentary and their aggressive rate action likely to continue, how are the markets likely to perform now going into the fall and perhaps till the end of the year? What's your reading?
I think it all comes down to what goes on with the U.S. government bonds, and particularly the 10-year yield. Whenever we see the 10-year yield above 3%, that's usually the point we see a sharp sell-off in stock markets. And I know you mentioned about how the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 and the likes enjoyed a decent rally in late July and for much of August. But that was all at a time when the US 10-year yield went well below 3%. In many cases, it was below 2.9%, or even from time to time, it was actually below 2.8%. Now things are kind of ratcheting up again. And now that we've seen in the last 24 hours a break above the 3% level, I think that's going to really kind of focus minds. And given the fact that yields are pushing higher, it would indicate the bond traders are thinking we're going to see more large rate hikes from the Federal Reserve in the months ahead. I wouldn't be surprised if you see a turning over in US stocks. Look at today's economic indicators, after all, between the housing stats, the decline of over 12%, its largest monthly fall since 2016. On top of that, the services and manufacturing reports were very disappointing, to say the least. Lowest readings in well over 2 years. And let's not forget, the United States is in a technical recession. So it was odd to see the likes of the NASDAQ 100, the S&P 500 rack up multi-month highs only in the last few days or few weeks, all the while the US is in a technical recession. So I think the Federal Reserve are going to continue on down this path of hiking rates. And I think I wouldn't be surprised if you see a rolling over in stocks.